Hey guys, just wanted to follow up on the bag. It's been 3 months already and it's still doing really well, very sturdy. Also, I washed it several times and like new, mud, everything just comes off really easily. Same as always. Just finished doing some rotary waste at Albertsons. But yeah, it's holding up really well. I'm very pleased with it. Couldn't ask for a better bag, especially for the price. I do recommend it for electricians, plumbers, as like myself, and also for for any other trade, or just to have it at the house and keep your personal tools inside there as well. Very sturdy, waterproof, and again, just love it.